Edu Bulletin. Let's dive into today's educational news. CBSE releases alternative assessment policy for Class 12 2026. Students appearing in all subjects to be evaluated normally, partially appearing or absent students assessed via school internal marks, pre-boards, or supplementary exams in July 2026. Internal assessment or practicals already finalized. Schools to upload marks between April 6 to 13, 2026 with sealed records for CBSE verification. Results declared as per exam bylaws with compartment essential repeat for non-qualifiers, fresh. Exams may be conducted for dissatisfied students. Strict action against biased uploads ensures fair evaluation. For detailed guidelines, refer to official CBSE circular. CBSE to conduct offline interactive session on mandatory implementation of skill education and establishment of composite skill labs in Gorakhpur on 2nd April 2026 at Nirvana Sarovar Portico. School leaders invited. Session supported by Gorakhpur Sahodaya Schools Association. Program to be held free of cost from 5 o'clock to 6:30 p.m. Refer to CBSE circular for detailed schedule. CBSE to conduct offline interactive sessions on mandatory implementation of skill education and setting up of composite skill labs in Bhubaneswar on 28th March and Cuttack on 30th March 2026. School leaders invited. Sessions to be held free of cost from 3 o'clock to 4:30 p.m. at SAI International School and St. Xavier's High School. Refer to CBSE circular for detailed schedule. A Maharashtra School Education Panel recommends introducing semi-English instruction in Marathi medium government schools for science and mathematics to boost enrollment amid declining numbers and competition from private English medium schools. Proposes teacher training, English proficient hiring, school adoption program by education authorities, private funding via CSR or NGOs, and enhanced parent-alumni engagement, building on the 2009 bilingual teaching policy and Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan reforms. Around 40 parents protest outside Salwan Public School in Mayur Vihar Phase 3, East Delhi, days before 1st April session, alleging nearly 57% fee hike in 2 years, withholding of report cards and academic access, and removal of students from rolls over fee dispute. School says it did not increase fees from 2016 to 2024. Claims private schools do not need prior Directorate of Education approval and states no objection has been raised by Directorate of Education on the fee structure. Precedent to attend Nalanda University's second convocation on 31st March 2026 as chief guest in Rajgir, Bihar, will deliver convocation address, confer degrees, award gold medals to meritorious students, and inaugurate new 2,000-seat auditorium, marking it as the first convocation at its permanent campus following the 2024 inauguration and second overall since university revival. NCERT invites applications for 2 principal, Group A, positions at Regional Institutes of Education in Bhubaneswar and Shillong. Interested candidates can apply by 10th April 2026. Thanks for watching. For all the latest updates, stay tuned with the Edu Bulletin. Save the number 721-707-0100 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp to receive daily educational news and updates.